Hey guys, how's it going? So we're gonna go over now how to structure an opt-in page. This is a page I did for Alan Edward from the Divergent Trader. So he does forex trading, psychology, stock trading, and he coaches people how to become better traders as well in the financial markets. So for his homepage, we wanted a simple opt-in. So for opt-in, start with just a clean opt-in, 2 forms max, always name and email. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need all these addresses and phone numbers and all that. We got his logo here. The most important thing is a bold hook. So ideally, if you can, have a video. Not a video, use an image. But trade with edge for consistent profits. So you know when you sign up, what are you going to learn? What are you going to get? So join 10K subscribers to the Divergent Trader newsletter, so you know there's a lot of people on there. Okay, you're going to get some value from this. Then scroll down. His motto: trade smarter, not harder. Then you got about me. So about me section is great because with the newsletter, it's about the personality. It's about you. They're not just following the information you're giving, but it's also, if you could add that personal touch, it's even better. So Alan was recently on a podcast. We used this photo, great photo of him on the podcast, just dropping knowledge. And yeah, here it's about him, his history, his experience, and his social prowess. Then next, what does he do? I help striking traders become consistent. So that's his unique value proposition, making traders get consistent. And then here, topping off with the 3 benefits, which is really cool. This is great. He has different places where he wants to lead people, but he's got free resources, video courses, one-on-one coaching. So he's got all his offering and his value propositions right here. And then he's got his blog too. So that we connected with his CMS. We connected his blog as well. And another CTA as well, form CTA. So form field and signing up. So yeah, very clean, very easy. For opt-in pages, it's generally more simple. They don't need to be as long. You're just trying to get people to sign up, and then you're going to deliver more value there. And that's where you're going to upsell people even more.